This is the Chapter 2 overview on modifying a presentation and using help. The chapter first begins with the tools on professionalizing your presentation. You can check spelling. You can also use the thesaurus. The spelling is under the Review tab. Click on Spelling to get it started. First error it found was Replace, and so I want to change that. Navigation, I also want to change that. And Help, I need to change that. And that completes the spelling. For thesaurus, I type the word substantially in here because it is one that I use frequently on your discussions. So what exactly does substantially mean? You can always click on thesaurus once you've clicked on the word, and one of the choices is considerably, that it means considerably. And I can insert that and use it instead. Greatly is another one that would have worked there. A couple of things that you can do also is one of them is to working efficiently with text that they cover in this chapter. You can find and replace text just like you would in a Word document if you've used Word at all. You can cut, copy, and paste. You can also drag and drop your text. So it's very easy to add text to your slides. Another thing with working efficiently is you can resize the placeholders. Notice if you click in here, I can make it all the way across the screen by hovering my mouse over the resizing on the edge, on any edge, until you get the white arrow. You can also insert new slides from the Home button or Home tab. You can insert new slides as well as from Insert, because that is a common thing that we do, so you can do it from both places. You can delete selected slides, so if I inserted, let's say I insert one here at the end, I can also delete the slide by just having it selected and pressing delete on the keyboard. You can copy selected slides within the same presentation by dragging and dropping. If I wanted to click on 4, for instance, hold the Control key down, and I can drag and drop it somewhere else. So I have it here, and I also have it here. I'm going to delete the extra one. You can copy selected slides. So not only can you copy text, but you can also copy selected slides within the same presentation, or you can copy them between presentations. Creating sections is something that helps you for easier navigating and also easier editing. So for instance, I have 2 slides here about working efficiently, and so I could create a section either by right-clicking and add section, or I can also do so up on the tab bar. So add the section. It's untitled, so I can rename it. And I have different sections, just like you would in a Word document, which helps you to navigate to where you want to go. Okay, you can also customize the Quick Access toolbar. Notice I have spell check up here, so I could have started my spell check from up here. You can turn that off if you don't want it on there. I usually use it quite a bit, so I have it on there. You can also show them below the ribbon. So you'll learn a lot more about, this is just a quick overview, but you'll learn a lot more about the Quick Access toolbar. You can add and remove and as I just showed you, display toolbar below the ribbons. And finally, and not least important, definitely, is learning how to get help. With Microsoft PowerPoint, there is a help button, the question mark up at the top right, and you want to definitely use this. If you have a question about PowerPoint that you're not sure of, the best thing to do is to use the help button and learn to use that. Sometimes if you can't find it within there, you might be able to find how to do it online by just going to your favorite browser and search engine and typing in what you're looking for. There are also some help buttons specific to certain areas, especially on dialog boxes and on the Backstage view, in the Backstage view by going to File. Some of the things that you do in the Backstage view you might have questions about, and there are helps back there for those. End of this brief video.